Hello, people. How you all are doing right now? So today I want to share with all of you about a new side project that I'm creating right now, and it's called Shenzai Novel, and it's a program focused about language learning. So I don't know if you guys know about this, but I really love to learn new languages because since I've learned English 4 years ago, I started to love uh, learning new languages. So last week I was learning German, and I thought, wait, why don't I create a program that I can read light novels, which I also like to do, but also with an extra feature that allows me to acquire vocabulary. So my goal is very simple. Is to create a program which let users read light novels in another language, like German, Japanese, Chinese, or any other language. But this program also has features for language learning, such as saving vocabulary, highlighting words, and so on and so forth. So I called it Shinzai Novel, and it is also in the early stage of development, so there are a lot of things that it needs improvement. I'm still working on it, but as I said before, it's just a side project. But I like to spend time on it because I really enjoy it. So let's go check these two. And yes, before that, I think that one of the powerful ways to learn a new language is by reading, because when we read, we can acquire a lot of vocabulary. So I'm approve of that myself because back then, like 4 years ago, I didn't know English, not even a single bit of English, just the basic level of English. So I only know things about how are you, I am, something on. So I started really learning English when I was interested about English book, and that time I was really enjoying the process of reading and discovering new words, and that was a really I know I really liked it. So as I said before, this is simple a tool that allows anyone else to read light novels in any language. But for now, it is still a kind of limited because it doesn't have enough features for me to publish it to people try to use it. So by now, I'm the only one who can use this tool. Uh, but I want to share with all of you and also know what do you think about this. If you find it interesting, if you I don't know feel like hey, I want to use this, I really want to use this, and also yes, I'm interested about your thoughts. And okay, like I said before, this is for reading light novels because many people, including me, like to read light novels. So here's how it works. First of all, when we first start the program, it will show this screen to you. So you are going to read, and let's say, hey, what is Stimme? In this case, I'm reading German. So you are going to put a translation on it, like since I'm a Portuguese language speaker, I'm translating it to Portuguese. So I will put this in English, just for example. The translation of Stimme in German is translated as voice in English. And then I will set a knowledge level, which means how much I know about this word. Like, is this word new to me? Like, I've never seen it before. If yes, like I did right now, the word is going to be blue, meaning which has the visual meaning of hey, I don't know this word. I have never encountered this before in my life. Just for example, So you know that all words in blue are new to you. But right now, I know that Stimme means voice. And then I'm going to set this as level 2. And now it has a purple color. And I know that all colors, that all words which has the purple colors are recognized by me. So I know that I know a little bit about these words. And I can also ignore, like, hey, this word is not important to learn. Like, it can be just a noun, like a in English. So we can ignore because it's not relevant to our learning. So I can ignore this word. And when we ignore the word, it has no background color because you already know this word. So you don't have to have a highlighted word so you can know that some kind of information. I mean, if you ignore the word, you don't have to know any colors about this. Okay, I think this explanation is good. And also, if you set the word as no, the word is also going to have no background color. Okay, but let's for example say, hey, I'm going to click here in Verde. In German is it sounds Verde. So here, and this word means become in English. And here, as I said before, you can set a knowledge level, which means how much you know about this word. And I set as familiar, which means, hey, I already have found this word a lot of times, so I know this meaning, but I still sometimes I still forget about its meaning. So I put this a familiar. And also you can do this by setting as level fear, set it as 4, which means, hey, I know this word, so it will have a different color. Or then set it as no. Okay, I put this as 3 because this word is familiar to me. I think this explanation was good. And also, like I said before, I'm not a English native speaker, so I might pronounce or might say something a little bit strange because I'm not used to talk in English, but I'm trying it. Okay, another interesting feature that it has is about inserting an image to a word. So every time that we are going to save a word, we can give it an optional image right there. So here, for example, is the word Augen in German, which means eyes. It's the plural of eyes. Eyes. And you can set any image that you want. It is just for to let our brain identify more easily about what is this word. So it is easy, and also there are a lot of studies on the internet that explains the benefit of using images to acquiring vocabulary from words. So let's go back here and let's say eyes images. So let's pick a good image. I think this one here is fine. Oops. Then we can copy in the image URL and then go here. We can now remove the old link and copy paste the new one here. Then we can click on save and everything is done. So it's basically that for now. I know there aren't much features on this program, but I'm still working on it. So I just wanted to share because I think someone someone who is watching this video might find it interesting to use it. Yeah, I just want to share because I really love to learn languages, and it's nice to share with everyone else. So that is it for now, and I think in the future I will be uploading new videos about this too. But like I said before, this is just for hobby. And okay, that is it for now. Thank you very much, guys, for watching this video, and bye bye.